Hey everybody, this is Bethany from Sweepstakes Diva. Today I have this great little bike light. It's designed to look like a little police light. So it's blue on one side and red on the other, as you can see here. When it's lit up, you can see the lights just kind of go through it. There's several lights inside of there. It does come with a mount so that you can mount this on your bike. Here's the mount. And there's a screw back here, so you can mount it on your bicycle, kind of like up in front, like that. And then it comes with a little controller that also can be mounted on your bike. And when you push these 4 different buttons, it has different sounds. So that's one of them. And this is a different one. So as you can see, it has a lot of different sounds. It's really loud too. So, so this is great if you want it for just to alert people that you're around. If you are doing some kind of patrol event or something, this would be a good thing to have to alert people. I mean, obviously don't get this and try to pretend like you're a police officer, but if you're doing like a security event or something, this would be a good option if you're on bicycle. So it's just a really great little set. You can check out the full review though and more information in the comments of this video.